Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I wasn't going to record today. Obviously, I look like an entire mess. My husband's downstairs recording for his stuff. But we just made some slime with Melody, and I have the box came with two kits. So you get a purple one and a yellow one. I don't know if they're all the same colors, but you get two different colors. And then it comes with an activator, and it comes with everything you need. And then all you do is mix them together and stir them with your hands. Let me see it. It's okay.
This is gonna get.
Give me.
Can't really see it when I couldn't do it. It's so little. It was a little perfect.
Right here and like, there you go. There you go. Stretch it out. Show them. So stretchy and it's soft. It doesn't stick to your hands. But we're not gonna get it on the carpet, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Let's bake Leos. Melody, get it off your face! Stretch it out, sis. Let me see. Someone go turn the lights off. Leave your slime. Oh god, you better get off the carpet! Okay, we're gonna let him go for a second, and then we're gonna come back. Skip off. All right, bring your slime over this way. Ooh, dang! Look at that. Stretch it out. Ooh, oh. Shh. I can't see yours. Bring it in. Ooh, yours is like a blue. That's pretty. Stretch it out. Oh. That is so cool. Wow. Maybe. We'll see. Okay, so this is the kit that I bought. I thought I threw it away, but I did not. It comes with the instructions all on the back. Like I said, it comes with 2 bottles of glue, 2 bottles of deactivator, so you get 4 pieces altogether, but you get... Ow! Ooh, 2 slimes. Ollie!
It was getting too scary.
Ollie, oh my god, you're so rude. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't remember how much it was. I want to say it was less than $10. I try to keep their toys at $10 or less. I don't like to spend a lot of money on toys, so Until next time, guys, let me know what you think down below. We already did one that had like a little light that you could make pictures in the slime with, but I like this one way better. I love the glow-in-the-dark thing. It's so cool. Until next time, guys, we're going to go enjoy some slime for a few more hours. Bye.